Welcome back, Freedom Savers. This is the best beginner portfolio, the portfolio that I set up for beginners and the choices I would personally make if I was just starting out investing and didn't know a lot about the stock market, or I just wanted a very passive portfolio. And as you know, I put my money where my mouth is, so I wanted to actually put some money into these ETFs that I suggest. Unfortunately, I didn't have a chance to put a lot into it before I decided to put all of my taxable accounts on pause in order to pay off my credit card. So once my credit card is paid off, I will be investing more into this one as well as my other taxable accounts. All right, so we just started this one very recently and we invested $100 even, and we are currently at $104.68 with 2 cents in cash, which means we're up $4.68 or 4.68%. We've been paid 2 cents in dividends total and earned 2 cents in dividends total. There's been no dividend changes and there's been no investments, no dividend changes, so nothing's changed on the yearly. With only $100 deposited, this is going to be very small numbers, but the portfolio is giving us $2.11 a year or 18 cents a month, giving us an overall return in dividends of 2.11%. And 4.68% gain so far on it, capital gains wise, is pretty decent. I'm happy with it. It's performing as expected. And that's all I got on this video, guys. I hope you're all doing fabulous and have a good one. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks, guys.